Hi, my name is Deborah Brown, and I'm here to introduce the class that I am teaching, CCAW, or Critical Conversations at Work. Whenever you have to have a conversation where emotions could run high and where there is going to be a variance in opinion, it's really important to make sure that you prepare, plan, and you are skillful in having this conversation. And that's what we go over in the Critical Conversations class. We look at the value of knowing who you're talking to, making sure that you are prepared, and then we center on a couple of the key communication skills that you're going to need to bring. So planning and prep and practice are very important before a critical conversation. Finally, the most important thing in any critical conversation is that you remain as neutral as possible, because the other person is likely to have some strong emotion. You having your emotion rise is not going to be productive. This is not something that you tend to master by attending one class. It requires looking at it again, trying a little bit harder, getting better every time. So look forward to seeing you there.